and the brand jockey. Hey, what have you been up to? Hey, what have you been up to, big boy? Hey, tell me. What you been up to, eh? Licking my shoes. See if there was sugar on it, eh? Come here, you little black bullet. Come here. Up. Easy will get you, eh? Yeah. Running away from washing, huh? Shampooing. Is that fair? Is that fair, huh? Is that the right thing to do? Is that the right thing to do? It's not, is it?
It's all a bit too scary.
Well, I just ran away because it's cold. That's why. Woof! Woofy, woofy. Ah.
Any footy came on today?
I just turned on the TV. Just turned it on. Yeah, Deez has been super happy. Oi,